What's up, guys? What's up? It's your girl Shakima, and today I'm back again with another video. I'm back again. As you can see, I'm not inside my house. UTS doing me bad. Flo doing me bad. When I tell you they doing me bad, they doing me bad since yesterday. I doesn't have no internet home, so I have to be using my next door neighbor internet. She have Telcel, so I have to be using her internet and not my internet. And you can believe I paid my bill every month. Every month I pay my bill, you know. And UTS. I need internet. I cannot live without internet. So anyway, I there by my friend house chilling, waiting for her to come home because we have to go friend's side to get some yogurt for the kids. So I just there chilling. I just get a bath. Look, girl clean and everything. Me no know if you can see me. Yes, and we're heading friend's side to go and get some yogurt for the kids then, because you know Monday morning is back to school. Can you believe, guys, today I do so much things. I cook, I wash, I clean, I iron, I do everything we're normally supposed to do on Sunday afternoon, because tomorrow she off, and you know when she off, this girl want me to sit down with her all afternoon or all day. But I have news for her because tomorrow morning I go in church, so she have to wait until I come back. Anyway, guys, big up on yourself, enough respect, enough love, and stay tuned because we're going friend's side. Okay, guys, so I dare waiting on my friend to come home for me and her to go friend's side, but she not coming. I'm so hungry. So what I'm doing, I'm making some press plantain right about now so I can eat with some chicken wings. Little bit of chicken wings, but yeah, and some press plantain. So by the time she come, my belly will full, because if me to wait for her to reach, I will never eat today. I will die for hunger, and I don't want to die for hunger. So I just to take the plantain, put it down inside this, and just press it down like that. Lift it back up. Plantain good to go. Nice, right? Beautiful. Okay, guys, so I finished to fry up some chicken wing. When hungry I bite you, you cook fast. And some pressed green plantain and some fried chicken wing, and mega eat this now. And you see, up until now she can't reach home, so if me did sit on a wait on her, me then truly dead feel hungry. But anyway, guys, I going to get inside this right now. So good. So good. Crunchy outside, moist inside. So good. You're really there. Full up my belly. Okay, guys, so we just reached it for you. Just. And we are at the yogurt section. Yeah, my kids love this bad, these ones. Let me see what she do. Which one you getting? Which one you getting? The Activia? Good morning, guys. Good morning. So it's the other day. We just wake up and I asking this girl to help me to do something. Look at her face. Look at my daughter's face when I ask her to do something for me. How much pain I feel to bring this girl come here. How much pain? Huh? 2 days out of pain? Huh? This girl leave me stay inside hospital for a couple days. Well, cannot move my 2 legs. And I asking this girl to come and help me to do something. And this girl don't want to. Look at that one there. Huh? What going on, Kisara?
But I got my wand.
What going on? Tell the people them how this morning you doesn't want to help your mother do nothing. Huh? Lazy. Yes, laziness. So we're just going to get started on our day. It's the other day. It's Sunday and we're about to go to church and we're about to make some breakfast. Give mommy a kiss. Kissy. Look here, not even kiss. Felix gonna give your mommy a kiss, yeah. You love me, Felix?
Yeah.
Tell me.
Yeah.
Say I love you, mommy.
I love you, mommy.
Kissy, you love your mommy? Huh? That's a yes?
My big head is big.
Your big head is big. It's really big.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. They're mighty. They're mighty. They're mighty to the pulling down of strongholds.
So we're just cutting off the scallion. Hey, you see on Saturday daytime when you go Maypen Market, a whole heap of this. When you come up on the bus or market truck, a whole heap of the flavor you smell inside a vehicle. The thyme and the scallion. You know, say Sunday morning, big things are go down inside of your house. Big things. Because your grandmother or your mother will cook some rice and peas with some real coconut milk, and maybe they do some stew beef or you know some French fried chicken, and they still use the thyme and the scallion inside it. So good, so good. So we're just going to leave this here on the side, and then we're going to go over back to the pot now. I'm going to add a little water inside this. I'm not going to waste this because this have all the season and the goodness inside it. And this is about a cup of water. A cup of water. And I'm just going to add it to the pot. Like so. With the ribs, just to cover it a little bit so it can pressure good. And I have here some minced garlic. You can use a fresh one if you want, but I work good with this. Grab it from the fridge, throw that in your pot, and you're good to go. Flavors and everything. And I just had some garlic inside it. Give it another stir. And I'm going to put on the pressure cooker, cover, and leave this for 10 to 15 minutes to pressure. And then we're going to season it up, build up flavors. Okay guys, so we're just going to stir it up now. And we're going to leave it for the next 5 minutes to finish the cook. Just going to cover it up. Okay guys, so we have come to the end of the video. The ribs is finished. Look at that guys. Here. Finish. I'm just going to plate it up just now, and we're good to go.